Wear a face mask to weigh and handle dry powders. Phase A. Dry phase. Weigh out the following materials into a suitable vessel, sieving the powders to ensure no lumps. Stir to combine. Phase B. Wet phase. Weigh out following materials in a separate beaker and mix until uniform. Stir to combine. Add liquid phase to dry phase in small quantities whilst mixing to form a paste. Stir well with a silicone spatula and then, whilst wearing nitrile gloves, blend thoroughly with hands. Once mixture is uniform, you'll be left with a stiff, easily moldable paste. Dough too sticky? Add more starch or clay. Dough too dry? Add more cocoa mid-propyl betaine. Shape the bar. You can do this by hand or pressing it into a mold. Unmold the shampoo bar and leave it to dry for at least 3 days. Test the pH by shredding the bar and making a 10% solution. pH should be between 5 and 6. Here is a previously made shampoo bar which has dried thoroughly and shows good foaming and lather properties.